So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to explore ETFs here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, go to the bottom right in the middle and press on Explore. In between charts and ideas. At the top here where it says Overview, just simply scroll to where it says ETFs in between stocks and crypto, press on ETFs. Now right here, you have a whole bunch of different ETFs right here. So you have ticker symbol SPY, VTI. You can keep scrolling this way for a bunch of different ETFs. If you're looking for that, SCHD, some typical ones on the American market. There's some community trends as well, the most traded ETFs you can explore. And you can basically just scroll down, find the ones with the highest returns, highest dividends, whatever the case may be. It's all going to be in front of you in this example. Now, if you want to switch to the stock market right here, right beside it where it says stocks, you can go to maybe the Canadian market, for instance. If you're Canadian, press on Canada, then go to ETFs, and you can sort of view the exact same thing in regards to some American as well as some Canadian ETFs right here. So highest volume right here. These are some examples of the Canadian markets, stocks right here, all that kind of stuff. So we'll go to ETFs right here, and it's the exact same thing. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to explore ETFs on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.